In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a video as your live wallpaper. So first, let's go to Play Store and let's install an application. So search for Video Live Wallpaper, and in my case, I have chosen this application. You could choose any application that you like. The process is almost similar, by the way. So let's tap on Open and tap on the video that you want to select as your live wallpaper, and then over here at the right there are options to set this video as your live wallpaper for your lock screen, for your wallpaper, or for when your device is ringing. So in this instance, I'll just select for my lock screen, and this is how it looks like. So if I slide it to unlock, and that is how you set any video as your live wallpaper in Android. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.